Okay, so another exercise. Consider the probability density function by f of x that is equal to x plus 5 over 100, wherein our rate of x is greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 10. So we will find out the probability of having x which is greater than or equal to 3 but less than or equal to 5. So we will first graph. So what does it mean? So we have this is our 0, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So we will solve the area here up to here. That one. Okay? So the area in between. X which is x wherein the value our x would be greater than or equal to 3 but less than or equal to 5. So this area in between. Okay, so we will first solve the height of this one and the height of this one. Okay, so first is we have 3. So our f of x, we have 3 for our x, that is equal to 3 plus 5 over 100. So that is 8 over 100. Okay, so you can round it off 8 and 100. So this is divisible by 4. So that is equal to divided by 4 over 4. That is equal to 2 over 25. Then so this means this is the height of this line. Then later on we have 5. 5 f of 5. We have here 5 plus 5, that is equal to 100. We have 10 over 100, which is equal to 1 over 10. Okay, so that's it. So we have 2 over 25 and 1 over 10. So suppose this would be the height, that one. So this shape is what we called as a trapezoid. Okay, so in finding the area or in finding the probability is same as in finding the area. So we have here the probability of x greater than or equal to 3, that is less than or equal to 5, is equal to 1/2 times the sum, which is 2 over 25 and 1 over 10. We'll be using this one since they are similar fractions for us to easily add the fractions. So 8 over 100 plus 10 over 100. Okay, so times how much is the height? This is the height here below. We have 2. So 2 units. From 3 to 5, there are 2 units. So we will multiply 2, which is the height. So if you are familiar with this formula, this is in finding the formula in finding the area of a trapezoid. 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times height. So this is the height. If we are going to flip this graph, maingon ana siya iya itsura. Ana. So ang siya ang 2 units. The other one is 2 over 25 and 1 over 10. 2 over 25 and 1 over 10. And 1 over 10. Okay? So here, this will become 1/2. 8 plus 10, that is 18 over 100 times 2. Then, we all know that 2 is the denominator of 2 that is equal to 1. So we can cancel out. So the answer is 18 over 100 or 9 over 50. Okay? So 18 divided by 2, that is 9. Then 100 divided by 2, that is 50. So that is for the probability of x which is greater than or equal to 3 but less than or equal to 5. That is the answer. Okay, so let's proceed for number 2. So in number 2, we will find out the probability of having x which is greater than or equal to 7 but less than or equal to 10. So same thing, we are going to graph from 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will look for the area of this figure. So we will first solve the height of this one and the other height, having this function. So we have f of x that is equal to x plus 5 over 100. So first, value of our x, we have f of 7, that is 7 plus 5 over 100, which is equal to 12 over 100. On the other hand, we have f of 10, so 10 plus 5 over 100, that is equal to 15 over 100. So these are the two values or the two height. So this is 12 over 100 and this one is 15 over 100. So we can now solve the area from wherein the values of our x should be greater than or equal to 7 but less than or equal to 10. So we have here 1/2 times the two heights, which is 12 over 100 plus 15 over 100 times the height. I mean this one, the distance coming from 7 to 10, that is 1, 2, 3, 3 units. That is the distance. We have now these values, so that is equal to 1/2 12 over 100 plus 15 over 100. Take note, in adding similar fractions, just copy the denominator, which is 100, then add the numerator. So 27 times 3. Then in multiplying fractions, numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator, we all know that the denominator of 3 is equal to 1. So we will multiply 27 times 3, that is equal to 81. Then 2 times 100 times 1, that is equal to 200. So 2 times 100 times 1. So this would be now the area. Or the probability, wherein our x is greater than or equal to 7, but less than or equal to 10. So 81 over 200. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.